Hey everybody, it's Jeff, and this is the Indie Game Legend 3D Development Log Update 16. We released our alpha demo into a vast sea of millions of other indie games, but we did get some people to play. One or two sites even picked up the news. Alpha Beta Gamer gave us a little review saying it was highly recommended, and YouTubers started playing it on their channels. So as expected, not a ton of fanfare, but the people that play it do seem to like it. Well, we're not done yet. Let's see what we've been up to. The morning of our alpha launch, I thought I'd throw in one last-minute addition. A nicer control screen with Paul's pixel art. These two screens took all day to put together, so it delayed the launch by an afternoon. But it was worth it. You might recall another last-minute feature was the new gem seal that takes your gems to open. It turns out they would very often not work due to a simple logic error. It confused and even frustrated some players, so we fixed it and uploaded a fixed build within a couple days. After that, we went right back into creating the rest of the content. We came back to finish Sector 4, the Glass Desert. We had to add a new enemy type, this low-bouncing green ball, which is used in some ambush traps. There's another color puzzle with clues throughout the sector, and also this Zelda Lost Forest-inspired puzzle. When you enter this room, you have 3 ways to go, but they just take you back into the same room. Perhaps only a certain order will get you through. We also started, but didn't finish, the Sector 4 boss. This boss is unlike any we've done before, and its movement was quite a bit trickier than I imagined to implement. Finally, I got all its parts moving together correctly, but I had to shelve it for later and move on to... Sector 5 was also started before, but I accidentally made it red. Since it contains lava, is called the Burning Vault, and was red in the original game, you might understand the mistake. But Paul wanted it to be purple, which I was hesitant towards, but came around after I saw it. In fact, this color scheme might be my favorite so far. The sector is full of more difficult rooms with familiar enemies, and one new addition, this moving fireball cannon. We also added a few new elements for effect, like this smoke, these lava embers, and these columns. And together, they make this sector look awesome. Now, we continue to push forward with the last 4 entirely new sectors. With the next update, you should see an underwater sector and a sector with a dreamlike ethereal aesthetic. Maybe even some new weapons. Ooh! Until then, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and play your alpha demo. I want to hear what you think. And, if you'd like to help out even more, see the links below to join our alpha testing group. Alright, see you next time, or on Twitch Monday through Thursday as we continue to develop the Indie Game Legend 3D.